Uh-oh. Is Jacob crying? Huh? Is your baby brother crying? Say, it's okay, Jacob. Hi, Jacob. Uh-oh.
Say, baby, don't cry. It's okay.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, baby's okay. Say hi, Jacob. It's okay, baby. You give baby brother kisses? Give him kisses.
Oh.
That was very nice of you. I think he really appreciated that. I think it made him stop crying because he wanted a kiss from his big brother.
More.
Oh, nice baby.
No more.
Okay, gentle. You want to give him another kiss? Is that what you wanted?
Okay.
Marcus?
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh,
Okay. Okay. It's okay, baby.
No, baby. No, baby. Guy. Baby, guy.
He's crying, I know.
Uh-oh.
It's okay, baby. Yeah. This is Kason's baby brother. Kason's baby. Yeah. Say hi, Jacob. Baby Jacob.
Hi, baby Jacob.
You're such a good big brother. Such a good big brother, huh? Yeah. Baby's crying. And baby's belly button.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
He's looking at you. I think he likes his big brother.
Baby, guy, baby, guy.
Baby cry. Yeah, it's okay.
Yes, I.
Yeah.
Guy.
You cry. My baby's crying. That's okay. See, it's okay, Jacob.
No, baby, guy.
See, it's okay.
Okay.
Watch.